This edition of the Ridley Report is brought to you by NHLibertySA.com, the Bristol-Grafton border in New Hampshire. Another awesome place where you are free to fall to your death if you so choose. Or if you just happen to be clumsy. Essentially a waterfall which we're approaching from the top, from above. And there it is in its full glory. Whatever it's called. Alright, I have a name now. It's apparently called Profile Falls, Bristol, New Hampshire. Are you a student who longs for liberty? Are you a student who rocks at writing? Then be gone from the Ridley Report and get your butt over to NHLibertySA.com. NHLibertySA.com is offering up to $100 for the student who writes the best essay about liberty. So head on over to NHLibertySA.com.
NHLibertySA.com